Up close and personal action. She's a nice one, isn't she? Ain't he? Nice roots that's going on in there. So here we have the roots. It's where all the nutrients and water
if you take a quick look at this here.
Yeah.
Let's just retrieve a sample.
Yeah. Yeah, we got it.
I can tell this from the roots, from the sample, that this tree is a 40 years old. See, look, if you get here, look at.
Yeah.
Right here. It's mainly in the ground core sample here.
Yeah, right there.
It's just see, if we dig in a little bit, you get this nice fine brown color here. That's kind of it's kind of crispy. That shows 40 years plus age.
Okay. Oh, we got some more action. We ought to have a moment of silence for this spruce. He was a good tree.
He was only here 5 minutes ago.
And now he's gone. Remove your hats, please, for the playing of the national anthem. Oh, All right, so here we have the grave. What's this?
It's a little thing I planted this berry tree with my own 2 hands. It's a shame to see you're gone.
Well, it'll be a small token of remembrance, but Avery, do the honors. All right, Avery, keep yourself together. We have to go investigate the body. So here she is. Moving on down. Ooh, this is some real nice foliage. It's a good color, nice rich green. You can tell it was a healthy young lady. You just break that off.
The very end, right here.
Yeah.
This piece, right?
The very tip needle of the tree, right there.
And in memory, we'll bury her on this sad day. You see her?
All right.
A fine, nice one there.
I'd like to propose a toast to the tree.
To the tree. Now we'll bury her now. Eh?
Yeah.
And there she goes. Yeah.
Yeah, there's the very tip of the tree right there.
Yeah.
Oh my! Oh! August 2nd, 2016. Time of death. Avery, what time is it? Like 6 or something.
You tell me, when is it?
It's 6:27 p.m.
August 17th.
Cause of death, excavated. Can we have a few words, sir? Do you have a few seconds for an interview?
What do you want to know?
What was the cause of ripping this poor young tree out of its natural habitat?
The owners wanted it removed, so you can see when you come over the road.
Uh-huh. Alright. Well, that'll be all for today. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We'll be back with a new episode sometime next week. So stay tuned.